Okay. Read the question carefully and find the answer and type in your chat box. Here it is given that a bus covers 250 kilometers from Delhi to Jaipur towards west in 5 hours in the morning and returns to Delhi in evening covering the same distance of 250 kilometers in the same time of 5 hours. Find the average speed. So basically एक bus है. It is going from Delhi to Jaipur 250 kilometers in 5 hours. ठीक है. फिर इवनिंग में वापस जयपुर से दिल्ली 250 kilometers 5 hours. Okay. Average speed is total distance traveled upon total time taken.
250 upon 5.
Upon total time taken. Total distance traveled is 250 plus 250 and total time taken is 5 plus 5, that is equal to 500 upon 10, that is equal to 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is the answer of first part. Now average velocity is total displacement upon total time taken.
Yes.
Okay, I have told you displacement, if a body is starting from any position, it is going to some position and coming back to this. So initial position is this and final position is also this. So displacement is 0. So total displacement is 0. Okay, time taken is 10 hours. So average velocity will be 0 kilometer per hour. Is it clear, Yashvi?
Ma'am, total.
Question 2. The speed of a moving object is determined to be 0.06 meter per second. This speed is equal to A 2.16 kilometers per hour. Okay. B 1.08 kilometers per hour. C 0.216 kilometers per hour. And D 0.0216 kilometers per hour. Find this answer and tell me what is the answer. Which is the correct option? Okay. Do it fast.
मैम इसको किलोमीटर पर आवर में चेंज करना है.
हाँ, ये रीड करो क्वेश्चन और समझो इसको क्या करना है. मीटर पर सेकंड में दिया है, किलोमीटर पर आवर में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके. Okay, so these two questions we are doing. The speed of a moving object is determined to be 0.06 meter per second. Okay, and the speed is equal to, so we have to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. 0.06 meter per second we have to convert to kilometer per hour. So we what will do? 0.06 into 18 upon 5. Okay, so this calculation we have to do. 0.06 into 18 divide by 5. So it is 1.08. When you will multiply these two numbers, it is 1.08 divided by 5. So it is 0.216 kilometer per hour. Okay. So this is the answer.
Ma'am, second we are doing.
Second, okay, next one you are doing. Yeah, I think actually some of you have typed 1.08. ठीक है.
मैम
तो
आए
यस मैम
हाँ
मैम मैंने 1.08 अपॉन 5 नहीं किया
अपॉन 5 नहीं किया था और मानव इज
जी।
टाइपिंग -1.08 तो स्पीड तो नेगेटिव हो ही
तो
नहीं
मैम
सकती।
डैश
अच्छा अच्छा ओके ओके
मैं
ओके आई अंडरस्टूड वो ठीक है। हाँ बट दोनों ने वही मिस्टेक की थी तो बी केयरफुल। वन क्वेश्चन ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग मीटर पर सेकेंड टू किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड किलोमीटर पर आवर टू मीटर पर सेकेंड कैन डेफिनेटली कम। ओके so do this next question, question 3. After that try to do this question 4. Okay, yes Laksh, getting or not getting? Laksh,
getting.
no answer from your side. Do next questions. Okay, question 3. A particle is moving in a circular path of radius r. The displacement after half a circle would be. So a particle has started from a point and it has moved half the circle, means it will end here. Okay, so it has started from A and ended at B. Okay, so we have to find the displacement. Displacement is always shortest path between initial and final position. Starting from A and ending at B. इन दोनों A और B में shortest path ये होगा. Okay, shortest path is this path. Okay, so this is R, this is R. So displacement will be R plus R 2R. Okay. Now next question is convert speed of 54 kilometers per hour into meter per second. Okay, 54 has anybody converted? You have converted, Manav.
Yes.
What about Laksh?
I'm 15 meters second
15 meter per second. 54 kilometer per hour 2 meter per second. So we will use shortcut 54 into 5 upon 100. 5 upon 80, sorry, 18. 5 upon 18. Whenever kilometer per hour is converted to meter per second, multiply by 5 by 18. That's it. Whenever meter per second is converted to kilometer per hour, multiply by 18 by 5.
18 by 5
Okay. And here multiply by 5 by 18. So 18 3s are, it is 15 meter per second. Okay. Now next question. Any doubt till here? Question is, a train travels first 15 kilometers at uniform speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Next 75 kilometers at uniform speed of 50 kilometers per hour. And last 10 kilometers at uniform speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Calculate the average speed of the entire train journey. Okay, so basically here journey is divided into 3 parts. First 15 kilometers, for that this is distance and speed is 30 kilometers per hour. Okay, next distance D2 is 75 kilometers and speed is 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, next distance is 10 kilometers. Okay, and speed is 20 kilometers per hour. We have one formula which relates speed, distance and time. Speed equals to distance upon time. So time equals to distance upon speed. We'll find time for this case. We'll find, okay, we'll find time for this case and we'll find time for this case. इस केस में टाइम क्या हो जाएगा? T equals to D1 upon S1. ये आ जाएगा T1. T2 will be D2 upon S2. T3 will be D3 upon S3. इसका टाइम आ गया, इसका टाइम आ गया, इसका टाइम आ गया. अब हमको पूरी जर्नी के लिए एवरेज स्पीड निकालना है. एवरेज स्पीड इज टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टोटल टाइम. टोटल डिस्टेंस विल बी 15 plus 75 plus 10 upon total time will be T1 plus T2 plus T3. Okay, I'll solve and show you. So D1 is 15 and S1 is 30, means basically D1 distance is 15 kilometers and S1 speed is 30 kilometers per hour. So time T1 equals to D1 upon S1, that is equal to 15 by 30, that is equal to 1 by 2 hour. Unit of time is hour. ठीक है? D2 is 75 kilometers. S2 speed is 50 kilometers per hour. Okay. So T2 is equal to D2 upon S2. D2 is 75, S2 is 50. So it is equal to 3 by 2 basically. 25 से cut करेंगे 3 by 2. Okay. Hour. Then D3 is 10 kilometers and S3 is 20 kilometers per hour. Okay. So T3 is D3 upon S3. That is equal to
10.
D3 is 10. This is 20. So it is 1 by 2 hour. Okay. Now our formula for average speed. Average speed is total distance upon total time. Okay. Total time, we'll find both of them first of all separately. Total distance. कितना होगा total distance? 15 plus 75 plus 10. 15 plus 75, 90 plus 10, 100 kilometers. Total time 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That is 5 by 2. LCM तो सबका डिनोमिनेटर तो 2 ही है, 5 by 2. अब ये हो जाएगा 100 अपॉन 5 अपॉन 2. जब भी कोई नंबर अपॉन फ्रैक्शन है तो बेसिकली 100 का डिनोमिनेटर 1 है, जो सबसे नीचे होता है वो यहाँ ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है और 5 और 1 मल्टीप्लाई हो जाते हैं. तो ये ऐसे हो जाएगा 100 इंटू 2 अपॉन 5. 5 and 100 cancel. 20. 20 into 2 40. So average speed is 40 kilometers per hour. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What is average speed? 40 kilometers per hour. आया किसी को समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, मानव आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Laksh? Okay. Now next MCQ I am writing. Which of the following could not be unit of speed? Okay. A, B, C, D. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, B.
Okay. What about others?
Ma'am,
D.
Okay.
ma'am,
Laksh?
D only.
Okay. So answer is B. ठीक है. ये है किलोमीटर पर आवर. ये okay. A is
Yes,
kilometer per hour. C is meter per second. And D is millimeter per second. इसको लिखने का तरीका डिफरेंट है, but it is millimeter per second. Okay. So B is the, ये क्या है? Second per meter. It is not a meter unit of speed. Clear है? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Our meeting is going to end actually. In next class also we are going to discuss. When is your science exam? Both of you?
Ma'am, on Thursday, Wednesday.
Wednesday. तो मंडे वेडनेसडे को तो हो जाएगी. अब नेक्स्ट ओके, एक ही दिन है बीच में. ठीक है, प्रैक्टिस करना और कोई डाउट हो तो लेट मी नो. ओके, सो आई एम एंडिंग दिस क्लास.